Meme coins are cryptocurrencies, whose popularity is primarily driven by internet memes and social media trends. Meme coin prices often experience rapid and significant fluctuations due to their reliance on community sentiment. Some meme coins integrate innovative features such as NFT integration or DeFi functionalities. The value of meme coins is largely determined by community sentiment and speculative trading activities. Meme coins are characterized by inherent volatility, making them a high-risk investment. Lil Pepe operates on an Ethereum Layer 2 solution, providing faster and lower-cost transactions. Projections indicate significant upside potential for Lil Pepe. Lil Pep, Bonk, a Solana-based meme coin, integrates NFTs and DeFi functionalities. Bonk demonstrates strong community engagement within the Solana ecosystem. WIF, also on Solana, is gaining traction with increasing whale interest. WIF benefits from strong community support, driving its market presence. Floki features a diverse ecosystem encompassing NFTs, metaverse applications, and gaming. Pepe achieved viral status, attaining a multi-billion-dollar market capitalization with a zero-tax structure. Dogecoin, the original meme coin, benefits from high liquidity, merchant adoption, and institutional support. Shiba Inu, has developed a comprehensive ecosystem with ShibaSwap, a metaverse, and gaming elements. Mog focuses on a creator-centric approach with NFT utility, offering a less mainstream option. Pepe Coin originated from internet meme culture. The cryptocurrency is supported by a growing online community. This origin provides a unique foundation, distinguishing it from other cryptocurrencies. Pepe Coin benefits from a highly engaged community that actively promotes the coin. Community support through social media and online platforms drives increased visibility. Strong community engagement can lead to wider adoption of Pepe Coin. Pepe Coin's low market capitalization presents the potential for substantial market breakouts. High community engagement amplifies the likelihood of significant market movement for Pepe Coin. Investors should conduct thorough research to understand the risks and opportunities associated with Pepe Coin.
Established meme coins, such as Doge and Eshid, possess a longer market history. These coins generally exhibit lower volatility compared to newer meme coins due to their larger market capitalization. The sustained presence of established meme coins provides a degree of stability in the market. This relative stability makes established meme coins comparatively safer investment options within the meme coin category. Investors often perceive established meme coins as less speculative due to their historical performance. Newer meme coins, such as PPE and Pengu, present opportunities for substantial returns due to their low initial market capitalization. The potential for rapid growth in emerging meme coins is attributed to their smaller initial market caps. The long-term viability of newer meme coins is less certain compared to established cryptocurrencies. Increased risk is associated with investing in newer meme coins due to their uncertain market acceptance.
The potential for significant returns in meme coins is balanced by the increased risk of investment.
Established coins offer more stability, but emerging coins provide opportunities for higher, albeit riskier, returns. Certain meme tokens, such as Trump, are highly speculative investments. The value of meme tokens is often driven by short-term hype and external events. Extreme volatility and the potential for substantial losses characterize meme token investments. Investing in meme tokens requires caution due to the potential for rapid price swings.